Hi friends, I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the AI benchmark test results between all these kind of three smartphones. So right now I do have the POCO X3 device, as you can see. So this is a mid-range segment mobile phone, and next phone is a Realme X7 Pro. So which is kind of close to a premium end smartphone segment range, close to 30,000 range. And here is the Mi11 device, as you can see friends. So this is a top high-end model right now which is available. So let's see friends, what will be the AI benchmark scores in all the three different price range segments, and which has advantage and how much difference we can expect between this kind of three smartphones as well. So just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and all this kind of live wallpapers. So make sure to check the links in description to download this live wallpapers, so which is really good. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more live wallpaper videos which I'm going to do very soon. So let's get started friends with this test which is called the AI benchmark, and let me try to quickly open this benchmark test. So when I am doing this test kind of first time in this all the three smartphones, let me try to start at same time. So let's see friends, which phone will be finishing the benchmark test, and which phone will be having the better AI benchmark test results as well. In this kind of comparison, we'll get to know all of this kind of details as well. So right now you can see friends, it started to recognize the objects in the background and everything. It will try to demonstrate by doing this kind of different objects processing in the background, and it will try to recognize, and the time to recognize that kind of object matters more. So right now in this kind of testing, so this is what it is trying to do, this kind of application which will be really good for the AI benchmark testing tool. And for more this kind of different benchmark comparisons, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends, because I'll be doing this kind of unique comparisons in my channel so every day. So make sure to stay tuned every day and try to check my videos which I will be uploading every day regularly. So again, I'll be back once the test has been successfully completed. Then we can discuss which phone has the better results and which phone stands at which position as well. So as you can see friends, the AI benchmark has been successfully completed in all the three smartphones, and here are the score results. And in the POCO X3 device, as you can see friends, in the POCO X3 it did score about I think 37, as you can see 37.0, and whereas in the Realme X7 Pro it scored about 135.8. as you can see friends, this is a score which has been in the Realme X7 Pro. And in the Mi11 device, in the Mi11 smartphone, which scored about 136.4. so overall in terms of the AI benchmark score comparison, if you compare the Realme X7 Pro and the Mi11, there seems to be a kind of very close to each other. As you can see friends, there is only one number difference between the both phones, but still the Mi11 is on the top, but there's not much difference is happening between these two phones. But there's a huge difference is happening between the POCO X3 and to the 15,000 mobile phone versus 30,000. There's a huge difference, but from 30,000 to this 50,000 mobile phone, there is not much difference is happening here, as you can clearly see. And for more this kind of unique comparisons and unique benchmark test results, so make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also stay tuned for more this kind of upcoming videos as well, where I'll be doing so many comparison videos with other smartphone devices. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.